morning from Pattaya Beach, and it's island hopping day 3, week 2. This is, as you guys all know, Richard.
Hey everybody.
Richard. Hi Richard. We are headed out to Monkey Island today. I have a feeling I'm going to have monkeys crawling on me. Something tells me that. And we are with also the favorite boat captain here, Mr. Rockman. Mr. Rockman, live and in the flesh, right there.
Hello.
We're going to be taking this boat out to the island, and we're very excited. I think the hat's going to do me some good today. What do you think? Yeah, I know you guys love this hat. So anyway, we're getting ready for our trip. We're going to set sail here in about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. And hopefully we'll have some good footage for you guys today, so stay tuned. Let me give you guys a quick little shot of early morning Pattaya out here, as you can see behind me, but I'm gonna turn the gimbal around and hopefully you guys will like it.
Hi, beautiful girl. I'm fine, thank you.
And welcome to Pattaya. Little tree right there in front of us, kind of obstructing our view a little bit, but that's okay. There's the city. You guys have seen this a whole bunch. We're waiting on a few people to get here, and then we are going to take off. But this is Pattaya early in the morning, and give you guys a little view of Beach Road when it's not so busy, because it's very early. As you guys can see, all the way down the end there is the entrance to Walking Street, and this is a very unbusy beach road, which is something you don't see very often. There's a tour bus. There's always a tour bus here in Pattaya, everywhere. You guys remember Rockman, right? About to take us out. Where we're going today?
Today we go to Monkey Island.
Monkey Island. And what's gonna happen at Monkey Island?
Oh, that's nice, lovely. We're gonna have a lot of monkey. So much, maybe more thousand.
Are the monkeys gonna jump on me? Are the monkeys gonna jump on me?
Yeah. He like to play with anybody. He fun.
Do they bite? Are they
No,
mean?
have some. The big one, look like a bad boy. Have just 1 or 2, but don't worry. We have food for him.
All right.
We help.
Rockman says as long as we have food for the monkeys, we're good to go. So I'm gonna take his word for it.
A lot of food.
A lot of food. So this is our group for today. 1, 2, Richard, 3 sitting down. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of us total, and we're about to go explore Monkey Island. And we are off to go to the boat, ladies and gentlemen. I think this should be a pretty entertaining, fun day. I hope so anyway. Definitely walking on the beach here in Pattaya. Make sure you have something on your feet always, because the beaches are, as you can see, pretty nasty. Look at all this. Yuck, all right? Richard, always the gentleman, carrying all the food until you look on my back and see what all I have strapped to my back. So now we head to Rockman's boat here. We love this boat. It takes us many places. And he comes and picks up your shoes for you, just like that. So listen as Richard tells you why we have these instead of bananas.
So Rockman and his wife told me that the monkeys are very used to eating bananas every day. So they get something different for the monkeys. Corn, they're gonna love it. It's like having steak when you've been eating chicken all the time. So it should be good.
That's cool, right? Okay, guys, welcome to Monkey Island.
เปิดถุงทิ้งเฉย
And as you can see,
เปิดเฉยเปิดเททิ้ง
we have a feeding frenzy on our hands here.
เทเลย
I do not have food in my hands, so that's probably why they're not coming to me. But this is an interesting little look at something I've never seen before. So basically, they're just taking the food that we give them, and then they're going out here and perching on the on the floats and eating it. And they're playing in the water at the same time. How cool is that?
Jeremy, help me.
Check these guys out. This is pretty cool. And they're well behaved. This guy right here, he looks pretty hungry. This guy's eating like crazy. Look at this. So we brought corn and they're all just, whew. These guys was hungry. No doubt they was hungry. Look at Richard the professional. The professional corn feeder. And the monkeys are not shy here at all. Check that out. So I really want to go through this path, but I don't know how this guy's going to feel about it. I'm kind of scared, to be honest. Excuse me, sir. Can I get through here by any chance? Thank you so much. Such a gentleman. Oh, wait. Head inside. There he goes. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hopefully I won't get attacked by monkeys. This is the other side of Monkey Island. Homeboy's chilling on the tree right there. And this is a little sitting spot where you could probably come and have some lunch, although I wouldn't recommend it. Not here anyway, because the monkeys would probably take it over. Big boats, tour boats out here on the island. And some red rock I want to show you guys. Check out the red rock. That's pretty cool. Something interesting that you don't see every day. Not sure what that comes from, but it looks interesting. And here come the girls. And she is swinging like a monkey. Same monkey. This little guy right here is just pigging out, man. So anyway, that's a look at Monkey Island, guys. Come check it out. There's some bigger monkeys down there. We're gonna try to stay away from them because they look dangerous. And these girls are having way too much fun. So we're gonna take some pictures. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one.